Hi there and welcome to our video series on the top 5 best built-in GPS 4K dual dash cameras. With the increasing number of road accidents, it's essential to have a reliable dash camera to keep you and your vehicle protected. And with the latest advancements in technology, we now have dash cameras that come with built-in GPS and 4K dual lens capabilities. In this video, we'll be exploring the top 5 best built-in GPS 4K dual dash cameras available in the market. We'll be taking a closer look at their features, performance, and overall value. So, if you're in the market for a new dash camera, make sure to stick around. So, without further ado, let's dive into the top 5 best built-in GPS 4K dual dash cameras. Number 5. Alizon B0B GSG6 RVM 107 tight wide-angle 4K dual dashcam built-in GPS. The Alizon 107 tight wide-angle 4K plus 1080p front-end and side dual car camera is an excellent product that provides high-quality footage both inside and outside your vehicle. The camera has a 170-degree wide-angle lens that captures everything in front of your vehicle and an additional camera that records the inside of your vehicle. The built-in GPS feature is a huge plus, allowing you to track your route and speed, which is useful for tracking your trips or in case of an accident. The 4K plus 1080p footage is crystal clear, providing excellent detail, and the dual camera system ensures that you don't miss anything, whether it's happening inside or outside your vehicle. The built-in GPS also adds an extra layer of protection, as it accurately tracks your location, speed, and route, which can be used to resolve any disputes or accidents. One of the standout features of this camera is its ease of use. The installation is simple, and the device comes with all the necessary cables and accessories. The menu is easy to navigate, and the video footage can be easily viewed on the device itself or by connecting it to a computer. Overall, the Alizon 107 tight wide-angle 4K plus 1080p front-end and side dual car camera is a must-have for anyone who wants to have a reliable record of their trips. The high-quality footage and built-in GPS makes it an excellent choice for anyone who wants a reliable, high-quality car camera that provides peace of mind while driving. Click the link in the video description for more details or to order. Up next, Number 4. Lanto 4K Dashcam Front and Rear with Wi-Fi GPS. The Lanto 4K Dashcam is a top-performing car camera that offers advanced features such as Wi-Fi GPS, touchscreen 4K, and 2.5K plus 1080p recording capability. Installation is easy, thanks to the clear instruction manual that comes with the product. The touchscreen is highly responsive and displays footage of exceptional quality, thanks to the 4K resolution. The 170-degree wide-angle lens captures a large portion of the road, providing a comprehensive view. The Wi-Fi GPS feature is a useful addition to the dashcam, allowing for easy downloading and sharing of footage with others. The G-sensor also automatically saves footage in case of an accident. The battery life of the dashcam is adequate, although it is recommended to keep it connected to the car's power source for extended use. The dashcam comes with a 32GB SD card, which provides ample storage space for several days of footage. In conclusion, the Lanto 4K Dashcam is a highly recommended product for anyone in need of a quality car camera. It is packed with advanced features, has excellent image quality, and is user-friendly. Click the link in the video description for more details or to order. Up next, Number 3. Grevsu PD22 Upgrow 4K Dual Dashcam GPS for cars. With 2 inches IPS screen, the Grevsu PD22 4K Dual Dashcam is a highly praised dash camera among car owners. The front and rear cameras both record in high quality, with the front camera capturing footage in 4K and the rear camera capturing footage in 2K. The cameras provide clear and detailed footage that can be useful in the event of an accident. The dashcam also features GPS that tracks the car's location and speed, making it a great option for long road trips. The 2-inch IPS screen provides clear and vivid images, while the user-friendly interface makes it easy to navigate the dashcam's features. The dashcam is easy to install and comes with all the necessary mounting hardware, making it a convenient option for car owners. Its compact design also means that it doesn't take up much space in the car. Overall, the Grevsu PB22 4K Dual Dashcam is a great option for anyone looking for a high-quality dashcam. With its clear and detailed footage, GPS tracking, and user-friendly interface, it is a highly recommended product among car owners. Click the link in the video description for more details or to order. Up next, Number 2. Red Tiger F7N Plus Full HD Dash Camera. With free 32GB SD card built-in Wi-Fi GPS, the Red Tiger Dashcam is a top-of-the-line option for car owners in need of a reliable dashcam. With its 4K Full HD camera, the dashcam provides crystal-clear images that are sure to capture all the important details. The 3.16 IPS screen is large and easy to view, making it convenient for playback and settings adjustments. One of the standout features of this dashcam is the built-in Wi-Fi and GPS. The Wi-Fi capability allows for easy transfer of footage to a user's smartphone, while the GPS accurately tracks the car's location and speed. This is incredibly useful in the event of an accident, as it provides important evidence for insurance claims. The dashcam comes with a free 32 GB SD card, providing ample storage for all recording needs. The loop recording function ensures that old footage is automatically overwritten when the memory card is full, eliminating the need for manual deletion. Installation is straightforward and the dashcam comes with a comprehensive manual. Its compact design does not obstruct the driver's view, and its simple button operation makes it easy to use. Overall, the Red Tiger dashcam is an excellent option for those in need of a high-quality dashcam. Its 4K Full HD camera, built-in Wi-Fi and GPS, and ease of use make it a highly recommended choice for car owners. Click the link in the video description for more details or to order. Up next, Number 1. Alizon M300S NF 4K dashcam front and rear built-in 5G Wi-Fi and GPS and voice control. The Alizon 4K dashcam is a popular choice among car owners looking for a reliable and high-quality dashcam. The dashcam comes with dual cameras, one for the front and one for the rear, providing complete coverage while driving. The 5G Wi-Fi and GPS capabilities make it easy to access and share footage, while the voice control feature allows for hands-free operation. The 4K video quality is impressive, with clear and detailed footage, even in low-light conditions. The dashcam also has advanced features, such as automatic collision detection and loop recording, making it a valuable investment for car owners. The installation process is straightforward, with a user-friendly manual and all the necessary hardware included. The compact design of the dashcam does not obstruct the driver's view and blends in well with the car's interior. In conclusion, the Alizon 4K dashcam is a great investment for anyone in the market for reliable and high-quality dashcam. With its advanced features and impressive video quality, it provides peace of mind while driving and is highly recommended by many car owners. Click the link in the video description for more details or to order. Thanks for watching our countdown of the top 5 best built-in GPS 4K dual dash cameras. We hope this video was helpful in your search for the perfect camera for your vehicle. With features like 4K video, built-in GPS, and dual lens recording, these cameras provide you with the ultimate protection while you're on the road. So, whether you're looking to capture those scenic drives or keep yourself protected in case of any incidents, these cameras have got you covered. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more great content.